All right, hello, everyone. Welcome to the Daily Update, my 1000 Day Challenge. Right, so this is day 577. So let's get things started. All right, so first and foremost, in terms of balance wise, remains the same, no change in terms of balance wise. And if you're looking in terms of market structure update itself, today is Monday. So the market is just open in terms of the futures wise, but it's really undecisive right now. You can see on the ES1 itself, which is the S&P 500 E-mini futures, it's relatively flat with negative 1%. I wouldn't consider bullish, I wouldn't consider bearish itself. So otherwise, looking in terms of Bitcoin itself, the weekly chart, unfortunately, we closed with a rather indecisive or not clear signal kind of a candlestick. So you can see it form a somewhat like a doji kind of spinning top kind of candlestick. In addition to that, it's also great because it actually closed lower than it is the week before itself. So that's definitely not a sign that we wanted to see. In fact, we wanted to see close at the top of the range, and then potentially that could swing onto the momentum towards the upside. So in this particular scenario, I'll be putting in a more cautious approach, and then we could still see further short-term downside to retest perhaps this 26,000 mark. There could be a sharp drop towards there. If it does happen today, I'll be very keen to buy in. And if it actually come close, anywhere close to the 220K mark, which also happened to the 200 exponential moving average on the weekly chart itself, I'll be really entering all in itself, and maybe taking a little bit additional leverage at that point in time as well. So that is something that I'm very keen to buy in for the long term if prices do reach the particular level itself. All right, otherwise, nothing much about it. Yeah, I don't see any good trade setup simply because on the daily chart itself, still lean to a little bit bearish momentum, even though we could definitely have some sort of support over here because there's this very nice green bullish candlestick and we still haven't closed below the body of it, which is definitely a good sign. On the 4-hour chart, it looks to be really choppy right now. I don't see any good setup if you're looking on a 4-hour and shorter time frame. On the Bitcoin itself, we are trading using the 4-hour as a higher time frame, which means to say on a 1 hour or even on a 30 minutes, why you will see this very choppy setup. So definitely not something I'm very keen to look at. But if you're entering on a 30 minutes as a higher time frame itself, I'll lean towards a short setup. So over here, I do see potential short setup. Maybe you can zoom a little bit lower and seeing on the 30-minute wise. Yeah, if you're entering on 30 minutes, why potentially you could enter a short. This could be a potential setup that you could be going for in that sense. So yeah. It's actually a pretty decent setup, I would say. So yeah, this is some sort of my approach if I were to enter a trade right now. So yeah, otherwise, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.